Future Elements Technology presents the Port Management Information System, a powerful digital twin platform designed for smarter, safer, and more efficient port operations. Our system integrates real-time data and 3D visualization to give operators a clear view of port activities. Environment monitoring tracks temperature, humidity, noise, dust, and levels, ensuring safe working conditions. Cargo management provides live updates on container storage, turnover, and flow across different zones. Ship monitoring enables instant access to vessel status, schedules, and operational plans. Equipment tracking monitors cranes and machinery health, usage, and performance, helping predict faults before they happen. AI-powered surveillance strengthens security with smart detection of risks and abnormal activities. By unifying all port operations into a single intelligent platform, we help reduce delays, improve efficiency, and enhance safety, driving ports into a data-driven future. In response to fires in port warehouses, the system leverages intelligent sensing technology to achieve automatic fire recognition and alarm. Moreover, through platform algorithms, it automatically dispatches optimal resources, personnel, or robots to carry out firefighting tasks, thereby comprehensively improving emergency response efficiency. The system uses intelligent visual recognition technology to monitor in real time and provide early warning on the risk of ship capsizing. Based on pre-formulated plans, the platform automatically assigns tasks and dispatches professional personnel or rescue robots to respond quickly so as to control the development of the situation.